What we needed was a kind of one source of truth for our pricing data, for our billing data, which are the products we sell, right? We sell services. And in doing so, really took a look at what the business is trying to get done and said we really need to think about what are the data requirements for managing a price, all the terms about that. It became a master data management problem, and the terms of those are more and more complex. The business is no longer looking at how many hours, what's the price per hour, there's my bill. They're looking at outcome, they're looking at fee caps, they're looking at ways to manage their costs. So for that standpoint, ways for us to manage our expenses are all part of that. Getting the pricing terms correct has been a huge challenge. There's no product in the marketplace that you can go to that's a professional services pricing tool. So folks resort to spreadsheets. In our case, we had 3 spreadsheets managing what we proposed to clients was one spreadsheet. What was approved was one spreadsheet. How it was set up in the billing system was another spreadsheet. Data was moved between those with cutting and pasting. So it was just a bad environment. And you get a price wrong, you get the terms wrong, you put them out of order, and all of a sudden we're not, we're undervaluing our work. That's money left on the table. The client's not going to say, "Oh, you're right, that was your mistake, I'll pay you more." It doesn't happen. So taking on this project was really all about standardizing the bill, the pricing terms, get the terms organized the right way so the billers can interpret it, and get that turnaround from March to January. So now we're middle of January, our terms are set up and we're negotiated, much more clarity, much more satisfaction with our clients because they know the terms. They've agreed to them before we started working on them. There's no write-offs because of that latency, right?